is after 9 o'clock. I am still in bed. I'm just wiped out from everything that happened yesterday, so I may just go back to sleep. I also know that, I hate to say this, but I do have a raging kidney infection. There's really nothing hospice could do for me at this point. They don't give antibiotics out because it prolongs life, and they don't do that. So I think it's just a matter of time before it blocks my only kidney from working. That's what happens. I get these infections, and then all of a sudden my kidney gets blocked and I go into acute kidney failure. So yeah, it's just a matter of time, I guess. So I can tell there's not much in my urine bag, and it's a really dark color and it stinks really bad, so I'm pretty sure I have a kidney infection. Plus my lower back and leg is really killing me. So yeah, we'll see what happens and how long it takes. So that's it for now. I guess I do need to go out and get my clothes out of the laundry. My friend's coming back at some point today to wash my porch off. I may go out to the mailbox and get the mail if I think I can. That's all I plan to do for today. So I will check in later and let you guys know how I'm doing. Okay guys, I'm kind of getting around now. It is going on noon, but I just want to show you guys. Oh, first of all, sorry about the noise. My friend is here power washing my front porch off, and he's also going to look at fixing my faucet in the spare bathroom. I've had the water off in there for a long time because I've had a leak and it would just run out of the faucets. The faucets are old. They were in here when we bought the house, and so it's hard telling how old they are. But I want to show you guys the propane cook stove that Tackling the Giants got me. So let's do this unboxing and I will show you which one I got. Okay, I thought I had my camera going, but evidently I didn't. Now look how nice this is, guys. This is perfect for me because if we get a storm and the power goes out, I just need to be able to reheat things, maybe fix some eggs or heat up a can of something, maybe fry up some Spam. So nothing too major. So for me, this is perfect. This takes butane or propane. The butane tanks go in here. And here is the temperature control. I will read the directions before I use it, and I did get 4 canisters of butane for it, and I will order some more butane as my gift cards come in, because some of you guys have been asking about maybe Amazon gift cards. I would use those to order more butane tanks, and I can also get my when my sister gets home, I can maybe get one of my propane tanks refilled. So yeah, this was a very important hurricane prep that I did not have. I am so grateful to Tackling the Giants for getting this for me. This is, it's a big relief knowing that I have this. They are tracking more storms out in the tropics, so there's actually one that could be a major one by next weekend that they're keeping an eye on. So I have this, and I will also show you guys. I already showed you the radio that I got. I'll show you again. I did misspeak during the live show and called it a power bank. You could probably charge your cell phone on it, but it's not really a power bank. It's more of an emergency radio. So let me go get my power bank and I'll show you which one of those I got. Okay, here is the butane canisters that I got to go along with my little stovetop cooker. So those should last me a while, but if you would like to help out, and you can always send me an Amazon gift card and I will use it to purchase these, or I think you can just purchase it as a gift and they will send it right to my house. So that is that. This is the power bank that I got. So let's see. It's got a light, really bright light on this one that I think is also an emergency light. Yeah, here's the back. At some point I need to figure out how to turn it on. Thought maybe it would be, there we go. So yeah, it's got a nice bright screen that shows your batteries. You can plug a laptop into here. I can actually plug in my little desktop fan if the power goes out, so that I have a fan, and then it has all of these on it. So this was under, I think it was under $100. It was a little more pricey, but when you're in a hurricane zone, it is something that you desperately need. So my power went out for almost a week with Hurricane Ian, and I didn't have this at that point, so I'm glad I have it now. And here is the radio that I got. It also has a light on it. It has a hand crank. It actually has a little compass attached to it. There's where it plugged in. It's got these little plugs on it, so it's not necessarily something that you can plug things in to charge it, except for maybe a cell phone. But you can see it also has the radio on it, and it's got a solar charging panel on the front. And this one, I think, was $39. But I will post both of these in the description box down below the video, so that if you're interested in them, you can check them out. But these two I got, and thank you again to Tackling the Giants for the burner and the butane. Okay guys, I'm back in bed probably for a good bit of the night. I'll still have to get up to edit this video, but I am worn out. I I don't feel good. My friend did come back and finish my porch. It looks so nice. I'm so glad that the mold is gone. I don't have that worry about people slipping in the mold or me slipping in it. So I'm just so grateful he fixed it really nice. And he's also fixing my broken sink in the spare bathroom. He already took the faucets off. He's going to go get a new faucet set and come back after the weekend and put it on. I told him he didn't have to rush right back to finish it because I don't really use that bathroom a lot anyway. I just use it for the shower. So he's went above and beyond to help me. I'm just so grateful that my pastor thought to send him my way because he's truly been a blessing. So I did get my Amazon wish list updated. I didn't realize I still had a bunch of canning things on my list. I had added those back in January before I got sick. I'm definitely not in any shape to do canning right now. I surely wish I could because I miss it. And I know Ethel, my canner, is probably lonely just sitting there not doing anything. So I truly miss canning, but I took those things off of my list. I put some fun craft things on there. I didn't know they had paint or sticker by number books. I thought that would be something really fun. The stickers all come color coded and it's kind of like paint by number, except you peel off the sticker and stick it in the spot where it goes. So there was some really pretty sticker books that I thought would be fun. I could sit here in bed and work on. I added a girls over 50 will remember those pot holder loom making kits. I added one of those, and along with some different bags of the rubber bands to make the pot holders with. I thought that would be really fun, and if I got enough done, maybe I could sell some to make a little extra spending cash. Oh, I put on there and a crocheting loom. I have, this isn't the round loom, it's the it's the one that curves around it like an S, and you make afghans and stuff and blankets with it. So I love my hat looms. I do have hat looms, so you can always send skeins of different colored yarn. I love the soft bulky yarn, works really good for making hats. I can sit in bed and do that without too much effort. So I thought the Afghan loom would be something really fun that I could learn to do, and it's pretty much like the hat loom except it's bigger and it's shaped different. So I thought that would be fun. But yeah, yarn will be needed for that, so people can send different colored yarns, and I can match colors up that go together into a blanket. So, and I did add an electric blanket. I left the shower caps for your hair on the list because those are something that will be used up and needed. I think that's about it. So if anyone sends me the Afghan loom or the pot holder making loom, I will put other colors of things needed to go with that. Oh, and I added a couple latch hooks. I used to love doing latch hooks. I don't know why I stopped doing them because first, if you remember the old Kmart stores, they used to sell them, and I get them all the time from there. They, of course, stopped selling them, then went out of business. Walmart stopped selling them. Hobby Lobby had I haven't been in a Hobby Lobby in 10 years. They had a few, but not that many, and then they just got to be too expensive. But I found some online that were a reasonable price, and they look like they'll be really pretty. And I did add a couple of diamond paintings. Just some fun things that I can sit here in my bed and do. I have a lap desk and my hospital tray that I can use for doing crafty type things on. So I did get that updated. I guess that's about it. I just feel really yucky today. I do know without a doubt that I have a kidney infection because it just stinks so bad. It stinks right through the urine bag onto my nightgown. The color is really dark and there's not much in my bag, so I know I do have a kidney infection. There's not a whole lot that Hospice can do for me. They don't prescribe antibiotics. I guess if my output slows up anymore, I can give them a call and let them know what's going on. But besides that, my lower back and my right leg is absolutely killing me. And it's in my back right around the kidney area, so yeah, right where I had the spine surgery, and my spine hasn't hurt me from the surgery since right after I had it done back in April. So I'm sure it's hurting me from the kidney infection. So I think I'm just gonna shut my eyes, take a short nap, maybe work on my diamond painting if my back pain eases up a little bit, and I'll get this edited and out later this evening. So that's it for today. I hope you all have a safe and happy holiday weekend. As I said earlier, do something that brings you joy. Time is so short and fleeting. We're here but a few seconds, and in the long scheme of things, we're really not here that long. So make the most out of the holiday weekend, sleep in, and do something that brings you joy. So I will sign off by saying, be safe, be happy, be blessed, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye.